Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Nest to control Amazon Smart Plug detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your Google Nest device is set up and connected to the internet. Next, make sure your Amazon Smart Plug is also configured and operational through the Amazon Alexa app. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. In the app, look for the Add button, usually represented by a plus sign. Tap on the Set Up Device option from the list. Choose the Works with Google option. In the search bar, type Amazon Alexa to find the integration. Select Amazon Alexa from the search results. You will be directed to a new login page. Here, enter your Amazon account credentials. After logging in, you will need to officially link your accounts by granting permissions. Review the permissions listed and tap Authorize to proceed. Once authorized, the Google Home app will synchronize with your Amazon devices. Allow the app a few moments to complete the linking process. After completion, a confirmation message will appear, indicating successful integration. You may now return to the main screen of the Google Home app. Locate your Amazon Smart Plug in the list of devices. You can now control your Amazon Smart Plug using voice commands with your Google Nest device. Try saying, "Hey Google, turn on the smart plug," to ensure everything is functioning properly. If needed, adjust device names in the Google Home app for easier voice control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.